Here is a panoramic view of Bamako, the sprawling and bustling capital of Mali. As you can see, Bamako is situated on both sides of the great Niger River. Today, we will take a closer look at one of the iconic structures and lifelines of Bamako, the Martyrs Bridge or Pont des Martyrs as it is known locally, which connects Bamako on either side of the Niger River. Let us now experience how it feels to cross this bridge, an activity which is an integral part of the daily routine for a large number of people in Bamako. We are driving from the well-known Badalabougou neighborhood on the southern side of the Niger River towards the Patrice Lumumba Square on the northern side of the river. While the presidential palace, several ministries and government offices are located in the northern side of Bamako, several embassies, business establishments and the Bamako Senu International Airport, the largest in Mali, are located in the southern side of Niger River. The Martyrs Bridge is also called the Old Bridge. It was built in 1957 before Mali's independence in 1960. You can see the Tour de la BCAO or the Tower of the Central Bank of West African States on the left side of the bridge. With a height of 80 meters, it is the tallest building in Bamako. On the right, you can see the Libya Hotel and Hotel L'Amitié. As this bridge is a key link between the two sides of Bamako, it remains busy throughout the day and even during the night. As you can see, this bridge has 2 lanes for cars and other 4-wheelers. It also has 2 lanes for the 2-wheelers and 1 path for the pedestrians on the left side. Based on the direction and flow of the traffic at different times of the day, its movement is channelized accordingly. For example, from 7 am to 9 am on working days, this bridge becomes one-way in the direction of the north. From Monday to Thursday, it becomes one-way in the southern direction from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And on Fridays, it becomes one-way in the direction of the south from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. to tackle the rush hours. As evening approaches, the bridge shines brightly against the rays of the setting sun. It appears calm from a distance as it prepares for the nightfall. The land along the Niger River is very fertile and you can see agriculture flourishing on both sides of the Niger River. The lit-up bridge looks lively at the night. A large number of bats can be usually seen flying across the bridge as evening gradually turns into night. The Martyrs Bridge is one of the 3 bridges on the Niger River in Bamako, which connects the northern and southern parts of the city. You must find an opportunity to walk across the bridge to feel the energy that Bamako radiates and appreciate the beauty of the city along the Niger River. This is how the bridge glows in the morning soon after the sunrise, the beginning of another long and hectic day. I will soon return with another documentary on Bamako. Goodbye till then.